Every day, billions of people unlock their smartphones without ever asking how such a powerful device is actually made. From glass and metal to processors smaller than a fingernail, from silent robots to human hands working with microscopic precision, smartphone manufacturing is a remarkable journey of innovation and engineering. A smartphone is not a single product, but a complex system made of over 1,000 individual components, dozens of materials, and multiple global supply chains, all produced in factories that operate 24 hours a day using advanced robotics, AI-powered inspection, and skilled human technicians. The process begins with raw materials like silicon from sand for chips, lithium for batteries, aluminum or stainless steel for frames, copper and gold for circuits, and rare earth elements for speakers and vibration motors, all refined to atomic-level purity. The heart of the phone, the processor, is created through silicon wafer production, photolithography that etches billions of transistors, and rigorous testing where only perfect chips survive. Displays are manufactured in dust-free clean rooms, layering glass, pixels, touch sensors, and protective coatings, followed by precise color, brightness, and touch calibration. Lithium-ion batteries are carefully assembled, aged, and tested for safety against heat, overcharging, and short circuits. Camera modules containing multiple lenses, sensors, and stabilization systems are assembled and calibrated with micron-level accuracy. The motherboard is built through PCB printing, automated component placement, and reflow soldering, with AI inspecting even invisible imperfections. Final assembly brings everything together: frame, screen, battery, cameras, speakers, and sensors, using a balance of robotic precision and human inspection. Software is then installed. Each phone receives a unique digital identity, and extensive testing ensures flawless performance. Devices that pass undergo rigorous quality and stress testing, followed by careful packaging, global logistics, and worldwide distribution. From sand to silicon and raw metal to intelligent machines, a smartphone is not just a device, it is the result of one of the most complex and precise manufacturing processes on Earth.